As you know that English is an international language, it is spoken across the world. So I would like to say that please you should also speak English, you should also learn English as I am speaking right now. Because if you want to do something good in your life, so first you have to improve your communication skill. Because as you know very well that until you improve your communication skill, you will unable to good things in your life. Therefore, I always tell you through the every video that please, first of all, you have to improve your communication skill if you want to do something good in your life. As like I want to say that like other people, you know, maybe you don't know that how to do that. So don't worry, I will tell you. First, you have to do one thing that please don't skip this video, watch till the end so that I can tell you that right direction what I have, because until you know the right direction you will unable to reach there where you want to reach. So that is okay if you don't have that much idea about this language, what you want to get you don't have about that direction. So first you have to know that direction, after that you have to start. It is okay if you have time, so you always try to know. Like I want to say that you if you, because do you know most of the people upon say that I don't have that much money so that I can learn this language. But what I am telling you, if you have cell phone you can learn English very well. Believe me what I am telling you, because I do every day. You know, when I was beginner that time I used to do this, still I do every day. You think that whatever I am speaking in front of camera, I completed my graduation study from Hindi English medium. There is nothing like that. If you thinking on this way, I completed my study from Hindi medium, and right now I am speaking English because of internet. So bye guys, I will meet you next vlog. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I will say that please you should also improve your communication skill. If you have time, don't kill it, use it, because time is very precious things in our life. Lose money, you can earn it back, but once time gone, you can't get back. You should remember always if you want to do something good in your life. You know. So bye guys. I will